Namaste friends, welcome to Long Live Homeopathy Kolkata. Do you suffer from heartburn, acid reflux, pain while swallowing or a burning sensation in the chest? Don't ignore these symptoms. They may indicate esophagitis, an inflammation of the food pipe. Let's understand its causes, symptoms and the homeopathic approach. What is the esophagitis? Esophagitis is an inflammation of the esophagus, the tube that carries food from the mouth to the stomach. If left untreated, it can cause ulcers, narrowing of the esophagus and difficulty swallowing. The main causes are acid reflux (GERD), spicy and oily food, smoking and alcohol intake, certain medicines taken without enough water, fungal or viral infections, allergic, eosinophilic esophagitis. The symptoms are burning sensation in the chest, heartburn, then pain or difficult while swallowing, sour belching and acid regurgitation, chest pain while after meals, feeling that food gets stuck in the throat. It is always the main symptoms. Chronic sore throat or hoarseness. Homeopathic approaches. Homeopathic medicine works very well in this situation without any side effect. So I will request you all to take the homeopathic medicines. Robinia pseudocacia, severe acidity, sour, vomiting, burning extending to the throat, worse at night. Then our next medicine is Nux vomica. Acidity after overeating spicy food, coffee, alcohol or stress or irritable temperament. In this medicine, irritable temperament is always present. These all the medicines should be taken in 30 potency. Lower potency works very well, so that I would like to request you, you can use it in 12C or 30C. Arsenic album. Intense burning relieved by warm drinks. Restlessness, too much. Anxiety and weakness is too much. So arsenic album should be taken in 30 potency. 2 drops, drop in half liter of water and stroke it 60 to 70 times. And take it sip by sip 3 to 4 times a day. Iris versicolor, a great remedy. Great remedy in the sense it is the best remedy for hyperacidity with burning from the stomach to the throat. It goes from stomach to the throat, then iris versicolor is the main remedy. And then after sour vomiting or migraine, half of the head is paining always. Carbohydrates, excessive gas, bloating, frequent belching, heaviness after meals. Then carbohydrates is the chief remedy. It should also be taken in 30 potency. Then we are coming to the lycopodium. Lycopodium is a remedy. The main symptoms increases 4 to 8 p.m. Then bloating, fullness after a small meal. The small meal also increases the bloating and fullness and acidity worse in the evening 4 to 8 p.m. Then we are coming to phosphorus, burning in the esophagus, pain or swallowing, craving for cold drinks, heat wants only icy water. The red line symptoms seek immediate medical care. Difficult swallowing that is worsening. Food repeatedly getting stuck while swallowing, stuck in the throat. Vomiting blood or passing black stool, severe chest pain, unexpected weight loss, persistent vomiting or dehydration. Always take the enough water. Lifestyle management. Eat small and frequent meals. Always remember, eat small and frequent meals. Avoid spicy, oily and alcoholic foods. Friends, do not lie down at least 2 to 3 hours after eating lunch or dinner. Maintain a healthy weight. Avoid smoking and alcohol. Take less oil in meal. Drink adequate water. So friends, this is all about esophagitis, burning chest. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share to your nearest and dearest friends. Thank you. Long live homeopathy, long live Hariman.